Lamdam masibu British ki loilam laingaktagi Ning-Kha Tamnabagi Damak Tribal Singna Achouba Thoudang Loukhi haina Manipur gi Governor Bhalla na Fongdokri. Wafam masi laipaksin batungna pangthokiba Bhagwan Birsa Munda gi Chamaga Yankai Suba Mapok Kumon Thorum gi Saruk ama oina State Asigi Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills na Sinduna City Convention Center da pangthokpa Thorum amada mahak na Fongdokibani. Thorum aduda Governor Bhalla na makata na hai British ki loilam lainga ki mayokta lamdam masigi tribal maraktagi haipau jadonang amasung matam aduda masagi chahi tarataruk khaktamak ngairibi Rani Gaidin Liuna lan thengneki tribal singi chawkhat thaurangi damak Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tongan ba scheme kaya paikhatlaga ngasi fawba lakli masi pumnamak tribal miyamda matam chana yohanana ba punna hotnaminasi ngasi pangthokliba Bhagwan Birsa Munda gi mapok kumon asida lamdam masda leiriba tribal singbo chawkhat thaurangi lamda Hena kumang chawpsin ba oirasanu tribal gi culture handloom amadi handicraft na lamdam masibu saktak pada Achouba Thoudang lori hainasu Governor Bhalla na makataki.
The Government of India and the State Government of Manipur are taking several focused steps towards improving the lives of tribal families across the state. Eklavya model residential schools to provide quality education for tribal children, strengthening our Ayushman Bharat coverage along with upgraded primary health centers, facilities and mobile medical units to serve remote hill regions, promoting tribal livelihoods through the Vandhan Vikas Yojana, bamboo-based industries, agro-processing and handloom enterprises, electricity and digital access so that no village remains isolated. Special attention is also being given to the particularly vulnerable tribal groups under the PVTG Development Mission, ensuring access to safe housing, clean drinking water, nutrition and education.